Hey guys, I'm now here at Taronga Zoo. This is a wonderful place for family. You can see a lot of animals, explore, and have fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
Here's an interesting cat. The fishing cat lives near streams, lakes, and rivers. A cat that loves water. So we are inside the Taronga Zoo and there's a huge map. You can find a lot of things here. If you want to go to the seal, that will be the seal bay.
He's swimming.
And if you go to the left, elephants.
Are you wondering what's the name of the elephant?
So this is the rainforest trail. And if you're hungry, you can go at Taronga Food Market. I can tell it's a bit pricey here. For example, if you buy this fish and chips, cost you around $22. Sometimes it's gonna be hot in Taronga Zoo, so you can grab these ice creams if you like.
How's it going?
I like to move it. We like to move it. Rawr, Taronga Zoo. Rawr.
Coming this way, then I'll
Mommy, he's climbing! He's climbing!
These are specially made beads by African women. Show your support by saying thank you to them.
Taronga Zoo Friends members,
Ayaw.
don't forget to validate your car park ticket at the top retail store or Zoo Friends office before 4:30 p.m. Thank you for visiting us.
Skip
We
coming
hate
back.
to leave, but we need to go back.
I know
We
you'll
have
miss
so
us.
much fun inside. A lot of animals, and the animals are very healthy, not stressed. I don't see
Yeah.
any like bruises or injured animals. So,
Correct. And your brothers are there, the kangaroos and koalas.
hey, my brothers are there,
Oh.
chimpanzee and gorillas.
Gorilla.
So which
Till
animal
next
is your
time.
favorite?
The giraffe. I have a very good capture of the photo.
Giraffe.
I'll go with the giraffe.
Oh, giraffe.
Which one do you like? The gorilla, the chimpanzee, or the kangaroo?
Uh,
Wait, koala! I didn't see the...
I think the
Oh my
lion.
gosh,
I like
just
the
one thing I
lion.
failed to see koala.
You failed? I have a video for koala,
Okay,
so you
good.
watch guys the
Okay,
video.
I'll just watch it.